Okay, it's day 993 off the grid. That's right, a week to go till 1000 days off the grid. I've been working a little bit today on the automatic light switching here with the Wii House charge controller. Haven't had much better to do on this shitty day, kind of recovering day from our big mission over the last 2 days. Anyway, it's been an overcast day today at the end of the day, close to the equinox. So that's a perfect day to calibrate these resistors finally. I've stepped this one down. I'd already gone down from a 10k to a 9.1, but today I went to an 8.2. And I finally ended up with a 7.5 before the light got so far dim outside that it pretty much stayed on, but I think that's about right. I also tweaked the trim pot down here a little bit more. But the main reason why I'm filming that is I decided to go a bit further and do some of the hardware side of things. This cable here that's been here for months, I mean, I started putting this together a week or so before Denethor Seth was born, and it's been this way ever since. So it's about time this old setup here, which has been here, temporary rig, above the washing machine all this time, goes. So I've already started to do that. I've installed this cable here, which runs all the way through the wall. It actually is jointed onto another slightly thicker cable that's more convenient for terminating into the back of this rose. And yes, that is the white rose for Denethor Seth, because long before I could actually set that up in the position it was going to be to run his night light, he outgrew his bassinet and got moved to the cot, and the light got moved too, and now no longer is this rose needed for that, but I thought it would be perfect for this, so I've put it in, and here's the cable that'll link up to there. I've got to make a decent mounting for this light dependent resistor assembly soon too, but that's not today. I'm just going to get the cabling done. So yeah, it's basically that. And here's the result of my efforts. Nice clean look on the wall there. Still got this box open because we're still going to see if this 7.k resistor is the one, but I think it probably is. I might actually even put it in there and zip it up before, you know, for long. There's the rose. There's a little interconnection cable that goes down to the current sensor mounting, which is still temporary. I'm going to make a nice metal one there. That's quite the point. That temporary cardboard one is just, you know, there it is, made out of a bit of pizza box, but does the job for now. But yeah, that's how I wanted it, so pretty happy about that.